I purchased this pumpkin pie at the local grocery store for about $5, but I don't want anyone to know that it came from the store. So today we're going to take the store-bought look and make it into a great presentation where everybody thinks we spent hours on this dessert. Here we go. When I start cutting the pie, you may be thinking that I'm going to waste a portion of it. Just wait, I'm not going to waste a bite. Wait until the end and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm using a circle cookie cutter, but you can use anything you want. The gold tray was a great option for our pumpkin pie, but I wanted to show it on another example. So here is a distressed cake plate that I'm featuring our pumpkin pie on. For this video, I'm only using one pumpkin pie, but for my company, I actually did 3 pumpkin pies which filled this cake plate. Now I'm going to top it with whipped cream. These look beautiful with the whipped cream topping. However, wait till the end. We'll add one more trick to it. Now we're going to switch over to the pumpkin pie leftovers. Place it in a bowl and mix it together. I tried this masher, but I found out just a spoon works just as well. Spray a cookie sheet, turn your oven on 350, and roll these into a ball. Now we're going to make pumpkin balls. After these are complete, you can dip them in white chocolate, coat with sprinkles, or you can just sprinkle with confectionate sugar like I did. Alright, so we're going back to our pumpkin pie cups, and now we're going to sprinkle with nutmeg. These are definitely going to be enjoyed by my company. And here are the pumpkin balls.